All right, guys. Woo! Georgia traffic, it ain't no joke. All right. And I'm so happy that my clients, I have built a really good trust factor. Most of my jobs, guys, I'm booking. I'm not even coming out doing consultations. They're just giving me the square footage or a ballpark figure, and I'm giving them a quote, and they're just booking it. So this job right here, same way. He called me 2 days ago. He sent me pictures. He got the square footage. I gave him a price. We got 2 jobs tomorrow. Same thing. They sent pictures. I gave him a price. I just booked one for Monday in Dallas, Georgia. Same thing. He said he's been following me on YouTube. He sent pictures. I gave him a price. So anyway, guys, what we're going to be doing here, this is a new floor. The contractors are in desperate need to get these floors restored back to their original state. Just like a lot of floors that I've done, they have glue substance all over the floor. And once they get that glue down and they let it dry, again, it's not easy to remove it. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. Hey guys, so we are out here in Kennesaw, Georgia. All right, so we just left our first job. From Loganville to here, it was 2 accidents. It was one on 285 and one on 75. Almost 2 hours to get out here. Okay, so anyway, guys, these are new floors. If you look really close, let me zoom in from this angle. See right there, have a lot of glue substance on this floor. All right, so the client got me the square footage. It's a little bit over 1,100 square feet. The glue remover, I've treated it the same as wax removal, $250 a square foot. So what we're going to be doing is this whole area down here, okay, and then up these stairs. Got this hallway. There's Tavares setting up the portable. This room right here, that room right there, and this room right here. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started and get these floors restored back to their original state. Check it out, man. Look at these floors. Let me zoom in so you know I ain't hiding nothing. Look at that, guys. Look at that. No more glue substance on this floor. So we treated this floor, used one of my favorite cleaners. Actually, I helped formulate that cleaner years ago called True Clean. So we treated the floors with True Clean. And then we follow with the 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭 neutral cleaner and the machine that you saw me extracting. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Let me get really close. Look at that. See how it was really bad in this area? And let me show you guys. Now, this is the part that we can't get out. If you look really close, you see right here? That's when they install these floors and that glue comes up between the joints. So that glue right there is stuck. Let's leave it the way it is. There's nothing you can do about it. I love the characteristics of this floor too. A lot of good character and color going into this floor. You would think this was done, but this is the way the floor is made. This is a beautiful floor, man. And this is a top, the veneer of this floor is real, okay? It's a real, but the underlayer, because I'm gonna tell you how you could tell. If you look at each board has its different characters. When you have a floor that looks the same, when you start like really looking at the boards, you're like, hold on now, these boards kind of have the same patterns. Like for example, I can go look at this right here. There's nowhere else in this floor I'm going to see this exact same board with that pattern right there. Nowhere. All right, so you see, so that's how you can tell when you have a top veneer floor or a solid floor, is you look at the patterns. The patterns are very unique. Like see this one right here coming all the way down. Look around. You don't really see that anywhere else. Okay, you might see that one just a half right there, and then you might, really that's it. You might see that long one right there, but you look at this one, see how it's coming all the way down? All right, so beautiful floor, man. This is a nice floor. All right, guys, well that is gonna do it. Tavares, you still got the, what you got? We got a few more over here, the little white specks. So what we're doing, we like to always do a post follow-up. Me and Tavares like to walk around, just look for certain things. But man, these floors came out great. Oh, they look so good. I also filled they had a little hole in one of the boards, so I actually filled it with one of the wax kits, so that's why I have my kit out. All right, guys, and then also the 3 bedrooms upstairs. Client, these stairs are raw, but he said they're gonna paint them black. All right, and then, wow. All right, beautiful. All right, guys, our day is done. We'll be back at it tomorrow. We got 2 tomorrow. I've actually booked 2. Had about 3 new leads come in today, and also had 2 that booked on the spot without me going out looking at them. All right, guys, see you in the next one.